If you're wondering what the sensor does on your Krone LSA tool, it's really very easy and it's a useful feature. When the sensor is off, it's in this position. When it's on, it's in this position here. Now, when it's off, this will cut even if you were to put it in wrongly into a socket. Yeah, you can see it's going to cut all the time. If we have the sensor on, it will only cut when it's actually in properly to an IDC connection. So for example, this is a data socket here, and now the sensor's on, you can see that it's going to cut only when it's fully properly inserted. Same goes for a telephone socket as well. But now if we had the sensor off like that, we could have it done wrong. For example, we could be at that angle. It's not going to punch the wire in, but you can see it still makes the sound. So it might be useful if you're in a dark environment with the sensor on. You know that it has to have made a good connection in the socket for it to work, because otherwise you're not going to hear that clicking sound. So that's a good connection, but if we are at this angle, you can see you haven't got the clicking sound. And if you're wondering how it works, it's very easy. So if you have a look at this tiny little bit here, yeah, that's it there. That gets pushed into the middle of the Krone tool, and when that's in, it will allow you to cut. Yeah, like that. You can see what it does here, it moves that down. So it's a nice little feature that will help you out if you're doing loads of terminations. Thanks for watching.